Hello there. Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Well, remember that I miss you so much, all right? For today, I have a workshop for you. So you have to do this at home, all right? So, this is the workshop. For question number one, it says, please ask your parents to ask you these questions and answer them, all right? Remember that we have this exercise on page 8 of the student book, all right? So, they're going to ask you the following questions. How old are you? When is your birthday? Where do you live? What do you usually do on weekends? And what did you eat yesterday? All right? So remember, you have to ask your parents to ask you, and you have to answer them. All right? For question number two, it says complete the sentence with the correct word from the box. Write down the answer on the line. So we have actor, movie director, dentist, nurse, designer, pilot, firefighter, and server. So you just have to place the word where it corresponds. All right? Remember that we have done those exercises on page 10 of the student book. All right? For question number three, well, there is a link here, and you have to click it, and you have to watch the video on YouTube. All right. It says complete with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Use present simple and present continuous. Remember the strategies learned in class. All right. So it says my brother is a nurse. He usually remember the secret words or the keywords that we have learned in class. All right. We have done those exercises on page 11 of the student book and also in the notebook. All right. So you can practice. For question four, it says put the words in the order to make sentences. So we have three, so you just have to order them. All right, they are disorganized. You have to order them. So remember that we have done those exercises on page 13 of the book, all right? With the definition of usually, always, right now. Now moving on to question five, it says watch the video of past simple, and you have to watch the video. Remember, we have done those exercises on in the book, in the notebook. All right. So it is very easy. Just was where and if they are in negative form. So it says we. Question number one: we wasn't in school last week, or we weren't in the school last week. Remember that we have learned that in class. All right. So you just have to write down the correct option. Now for exercise 6, it says complete the sentence with the correct adverb form of the word in parentheses. There are examples there. We have quiet, quietly. We have li. That would be in Spanish mente. All right, like slow, slow, and I add li, so that would be slowly. Slow, lento, slowly, lentamente. All right. We have careful and we have carefully. So here we have a word in parentheses, and you just have to write down the word using li. We have to add that. Remember that we use adverbs just to know how people do things. All right. Um, that's it. So that's it. When you have it ready, just please send it back to me. So, guys, I hope that you have a good day. And remember that I miss you so much, all right? I miss us in the classroom. So that's it. Have a nice day, my dear students.